Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at another Victor mousetrap. Victor is one of the largest mousetrap brands in the world. They have a huge variety of mousetraps available on the market, and I've been testing them out, doing review videos. I'm going to have a complete playlist pretty soon so you can see which Victor traps are the best. This is a humane catch and release mousetrap. It's called Catch and Hold, also known as Model 333. Now if you go on Amazon and look at the reviews for this trap, they are not good. There's a lot of 1 stars saying the trap either doesn't work, it's made out of flimsy material, or the mice go in, take the bait, and can escape. So we're going to test that out. Now this has been around a little while. Originally it was called the Mousetrap. Here's one of the original versions of this trap. It even says it's new on the label. And I noticed some key differences over time. Originally it was made in the US out of a much thicker plastic and better material. Here it's made out of China with thin plastic. We're going to take these out of the package and see how they work comparison. But I had a problem with the mechanism falling out on this one, so let's take off the label and compare them. So the first thing you notice is there's a lid and there's an entryway up here, a little shield so the mouse can enter and then go into the trap. We'll take off that lid by sliding it forward. The mouse will want to get the bait, come up the ramp, step on the little teeter-totter, the door closes behind him, steps off, it resets, and in theory he can't get out. This says it can hold up to 4 mice. Let's go test it out with our pet mice, see how it works. Then we'll go set up the motion cameras in the barn, see if some wild mice get caught and stay in there overnight. For this test we're going to use the 7 mice we caught in the bowl of oil trap. The trap claims it can catch 4 mice at a time, and we got 4 mice with it. It worked pretty well on our pet mice. Let's go set it up in the barn with motion cameras, see if we can get some wild mice. I've used these live catch mouse traps in the past, and based on my previous experience, they didn't work very well. The bait would be gone in the morning, but there'd be no mouse. Either the mouse found a way to squeeze out or chew through the plastic. But last night when we set these up, both traps worked just fine. Each trap has a mouse in it, so I give it mixed reviews. It can work, but it can also fail. Since this is a live catch trap, let's lift off the lids and let them go. We'll just slide open the door. Mouse is hiding under that little trigger system. You can see the 2 tails. Come on guys, you can get out of there. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.